Today I'm going inside Chiang Mai City. Gonna go ride around. I'm gonna bring my motorbike in for a service, changing oil. You know, I haven't been changing oil like 8 months for this thing. I'm gonna go ride. Let's roll. We're gonna roll. Now I'm going to Cub House. It's like an exotic Honda motorcycle showroom, and I'm gonna take my ride there for an oil change. I haven't changed the oil for 8 to 9 months. Once I finished, I'm gonna, you know, take you guys for a motorbike tour inside Chiang Mai City. Now it's like rainy season in Chiang Mai. You know, the skies are clear. Look at that mountain view. Stunning, isn't it? The directions on my watch to the showroom. Oops. Looks like they've been in an accident. Oh. It's good if you're in Chiang Mai and rent a motorbike, ride around. I arrived here. Just now I passed it. Yellow color, bright yellow. This is like gloss green. My one is matte green, a little like tan color. This is like green. Looks like the coffee shop is closed. That's okay. The first reason I don't like Chiang Mai is that there are no tall buildings. There's no like crazy skyscrapers or no tall like office building that they're close together. Unlike Bangkok, like around Silom, Sathon, I think it's a good thing. You can like enjoy the view, you know, be close to nature more. There are also a lot of buildings in Chiang Mai, but it's not that tall. But who cares living in Chiang Mai with high buildings? Since we got like beautiful mountains, nature. You know what I'm saying? Chiang Mai City is like all around mountain view. Plus, there's a river called Mae Ping. It's gonna go like to Menam Chopia, like around Nakhon Sawan district. Four rivers combined, it become like Chopia River. There is like Ping Wang Yom Nat and Mae Ping like in Chiang Mai. Walk to the river. The, the water now is like quite wet, because it rains a lot nowadays. It's rainy season in Chiang Mai. Oh, but it's beautiful. Look at the view. The view of the Ping River. There's no beaches, There are no beaches in Chiang Mai. Yeah, sure, it's like the northern part of Thailand. It's not close to the sea or ocean. Me myself, I'm not a beach guy myself. I don't like anywhere that is too humid and salty. And living in Chiang Mai, yeah, works for me. Yeah, sure. Sometimes I miss beaches like around Chonburi, Pattaya, or even like southern part, but I've been there like very few times because it's more than my budget could handle. It's like expensive down there. Oh yeah, look at that. Today, clear sky. You saw like a mountain view at my back, as you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna head back to the showroom now, see if my bike is ready. All right, my ride is finished. Okay. All right. Oh, feeling of a new engine oil. Now I'm at like the middle of Chiang Mai City, where there's like walls and like inner part of like this wall, it's covered by water. It's called Khu. It's it's very easy to go around Chiang Mai once you know the places. Sometimes there's gonna be some heavy traffic, but compared to Bangkok, it's less worse. Traffic in Chiang Mai is gonna be like around in the morning, during rush hours. People like go to work, or in the evening, like starting around like 4:30 p.m. like outside of the city. It's gonna be like heavy traffic. If you plan to like get out, avoid like rush hours, or like around in the evening where people like going home, you're gonna be just fine. But I can take it. It's like much better than Bangkok, the traffic here. And if you are riding a motorcycle, you're not gonna worry a thing because you're not a big vehicle and like you can get through like traffic easily. So ain't no thing about that. Uh, I love Chiang Mai City. The food. I like the food in Chiang Mai City. There's a variety for you to choose from, and the best beef noodle, in Thailand. I found one place and it's in Chiang Mai, but it's like outside from Chiang Mai City, around like 15 kilometers. Yeah, in the next video I'll take you there. I like the food in Chiang Mai. It's not pricey. Local food, street food, restaurant or a shop, and it's like easy to find more than in Bangkok because in Bangkok, it's hard to find car park when you want to eat something. But in Chiang Mai, you can park your car easily and go wherever you want. Find some beautiful places. I think it's worth it. And during your free day, if you want to hang out, there are a lot of bars for you to drink. There are some craft beer in Chiang Mai too, some fine wine, fine dining. Just basically everything you look for in the big city, Chiang Mai has you covered. I'm gonna go to a market that is called Tha-nin. This market have a variety of food. Gonna get something to eat and head home. A bit crowded over here. That's no big deal. Okay, see where I can park. Yeah, this should just be fine. Let's go. Yeah, see what I like about Chiang Mai. I can stop anytime I want, and there's a market. Inside here is a market. See? Cool, huh? Chiang Mai is rated one of the safest city in Thailand. The just to be sure. I got my helmet with me too. Don't leave your helmet at your bike because it might get stolen. I recommend you try some local food. It's much more delicious than like normal restaurant. This market is like real local Thai. I'll put the location in the description in case you want to check it out. Something it might be spicy, but you're gonna be just fine once you get used to it. Most of the people here, they cannot really speak English, but some do. I'm gonna buy something. I'm gonna speak English to them, but actually I know Thai. This one, please. This one? Yeah, one. How much? 40 baht? Oh, okay. Crab fried rice. This crab fried rice? Crab?
Yeah.
How much? 50 baht. Oh, okay. Got myself some food. As you can see, some of them can speak English. So don't be afraid to come to the local market. Feel Thai. There is one shop where I usually get my refreshments. Both uncle and auntie, they sell drinks in the back of the truck. The price is pretty cheap and they got this like oversized glass. And it's very refreshing drinking some cold drinks here in Thailand. There it is. Small glass, 25 baht. And the big one, 30 baht. Let's check it out. A variety of drinks. A lot of choice. I don't know what to choose. ข้าวโพดมีฮะข้าวโพดครับครับผม My favorite shops. That's two prices. Small glass, 25 baht. The big one, 30 baht. It's a steal of a deal. ขอบคุณครับ All right. Woo. Just gonna taste it. Drink some of this. Get this straw to my helmet. Wow. It's really delicious, actually. Worth every penny. But that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.